Hi, my name is Patrick Graham. I own Silverstar Automotive Solutions. We are a family-oriented, customer-focused garage. We're located at 2525 Baseline Road, convenient to all of Ottawa's West End. The thing we want to do most at Silverstar is remove that fear of being taken advantage of. We want to ensure that our clients are educated as to what is being done on their cars. It's really that simple. Come see us at 2525 Baseline Road. We're open Monday to Friday, 7:30 to 5. At Silverstar Automotive Solutions, you care about your car and we care about our clients.